Hi guys, another day, another bento. Every day, before I start cooking, I always make sure na maayos yung table and malinis. And then I will prepare all the ingredients I needed pagluto ko. And then pag naluto ko na, I will prepare it again sa table para diretso na sa bento. So tara, samahan niyo ako mag-prepare today. For today's baon, hazelnut sandwich and tropical chicken sandwich surprise, I got that recipe from Bento Beshi. And for her lunch, rice, mushroom omelette, carrots, apple, and chicken nuggets. May extra cream rolls din siya. Baka mabitin, may practice siya. And yung sandwiches niya, binalot ko lang sa Cheer storage bag para mas madali niyang bitbitin. So that's all for today, guys. Bye!